Cotabato.
Kami anak ng Sao Cotabato, nagyayang isang dugo ng Pilipino. Iba't ibang tribong pinanggalingan.
When we came up here, uphill, we don't even know ano ang dangtan namo, unsay amon maabtan diri, but full heart, we volunteered unconditionally. We came uphill, not knowing everything, but in our mind, we really promised to ourselves with Mr. Estares that we are going to finish what we have started. Para bang sa araw-araw na pag-akyat namin dito ni Sir Giovanni, parang iyak. Yung mga bata, we always say it in the name of service. It's really very difficult for us to be coming up and down every day of our life with a rugged road. Pero yung gaya ng sinabi ko na palagi naming sinasabi sa sarili namin na ang pera kasi madaling makita. Pero yung legacy na pwede naming iwan in terms of education, knowledge, yung maturuan namin yung mga IPs na mga students dito is napakalaking bagay. Kung sa atin pa, sa statistics, pag IPs ka, napaka-slim yung chances mo to graduate in high school. Really. Hanggang elementary lang talaga yung makaya nila. Kung wala itong paaralan na ito na put up, siguro they cannot continue. They cannot pursue their schooling in high school. Dala-dala nila yung dreams nila. That someday, maabot nila yung dreams nila. So I always encourage them to go to school, motivate them to go to school, to learn more, so that they would become an avenue, their knowledge would become an avenue to reach their goal in life.
Gusto po maging doktor.
Gusto ko po maging teacher.
Gusto ko po maging nurse.
Gusto ko po maging engineer.
Gusto ko maging teacher.
Pinupali